Hi, and welcome to Platforms of Childhood Obesity Prevention, Exploration of Current Methods to Discover New Ones. My name is Chris Corutelli, and I will be taking you through this research prospectus. Now, childhood obesity affects children's immediate and long-term well-being. With respect to immediate health effects, obese children are more likely to experience depression and psychosocial difficulties. With regard to long-term effects, obese children are at a greater risk of developing life-threatening conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and all causes of mortality. This research prospectus defines childhood obesity, examines the current trend in childhood obesity, discovers the strengths and weaknesses of current treatments and preventions of childhood obesity, and evaluates the evolving literature regarding food swamps and their impact on dietary choices, with the intent to determine the most effective platform for future childhood obesity prevention. The primary population examined for this prospectus was children. This includes male and female, and the primary age group ranged from 5 to 19 years old. The reason this group was selected was to define the future platforms of obesity prevention and treatments. So obesity is a disease, and the WHO fact sheet provides some information about these key informations. Worldwide obesity has nearly tripled since 1975, and there are over 340 million children and adolescents were aged 5 to 19 were overweight and obese in 2016. Obesity is a preventable disease, and so there's no reason for children to suffer like this. So continuing on, the World Health Organization defines overweight and obesity as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that may impair health. This study primarily focuses on children aged 5 to 19 years old because they are the ones who are going to be determining what kind of platforms, meaning like whether future obesity studies are done on applications like on your phone or on computers, or as we do them now in multifaceted options. So let's take a look at that.